Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. Now today we've got a flavour packed surprise in store for you, the Spicy Chicken BLT Burger. So brace yourselves for a wild taste adventure and let's get started. Now we're going to take 2 juicy chicken fillets weighing 175 grams each. We're going to lay them on a chopping board and we're going to cover them with some cling wrap. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to give them a whack with either a meat mallet or a Havre saucepan until they're a perfect 2 centimetre thick, and then we're going to set them to the side while we spice things up. Now in a bowl I'm going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of a fiery fajita mix and an equal amount of rapeseed oil. And now it's marinade time. So we're going to coat the chicken fillets in the spicy blend, making sure they're fully covered, and we're going to let them chill and soak in those flavours for up to about 15 minutes. Okay, so now let's talk toppings. We're going to take some sliced onions, avocado, which I'm going to peel and slice later, some sliced tomatoes, and a bit of baby spinach leaves. But wait, there's more. We're going to get ready for some salty goodness. In a small bowl I'm going to combine 2 tablespoonfuls of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoonful of tomato ketchup, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. We're going to give that a good mix, and voila, you've got yourself a kick-ass sauce. We'll keep that on standby for the burger magic. Now let's go over to our cooker. We're going to heat a frying pan on a medium-high heat, and we're going to introduce the marinated chicken fillets, and don't be forgetting the spicy oil, and we're going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes just on each side until they're fully cooked through. Now folks, if you're enjoying my video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. So now that our chicken's fully cooked, we're just going to slide it to the side. And now there's a bonus. I'm going to add 2 slices of heavenly smoked streaky bacon to the pan, and I'm going to let them sizzle alongside the chicken until they become crispy. And finally, it's showtime. My food-loving congregants, we're going to place a toasted bun on a plate and let's build this flavour tower. We're going to slather the bottom bun with that tantalising spicy sauce that we whipped up. We're going to layer on the fresh spinach leaves, tomato slices, the fiery cooked chicken breast, the crispy bacon, more tomato goodness, a sprinkle of the sliced onion, some generous avocado slices, and for the grand finale, another drizzle of that addictive sauce, spicy sauce on top. Congratulations, you've just witnessed the birth of the legendary Spicy BLT Burger. Now if your taste buds are screaming with joy, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and stay tuned for more epic food adventures. Until next time folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.